Hey guys, welcome to Chicken Run Creations, something a little different and short today. I wanted to share this book that I just recently released. This is one of three. Ignore the not for resale down the middle of it. Yours would not come like that. This was just the sample copy that I ordered so I could check it out. But one thing that I have always like to do is to record stuff as I'm making it, and I've created a few different like crafting type journals similar to this, but I wanted to do one specifically for needle felting. I guess maybe wet felting would work too, but I kind of did needle felting. But anyway, there's three different covers, and I will pop up the other two covers here so you can see. And I will have links down below if you're interested. But this is off of Amazon. If you live out of the US, you might have to do a search to find them, but you can still order them if you live in like the UK or wherever. But I thought I would just show you what's in them. I've had some people who've asked, you know, because sometimes Amazon doesn't let you see the inside pages. So I thought I would show you what you get in this book. It is intended for 25 projects, and it's 8.5 by 11, so it's a really good size. I might do a smaller one. I've had a suggestion for smaller ones, so I might do that. But anyway, you can put your dates for once your projects that you've done them in. Just a little blurb here for our why I did this and what have you. I have a 2-page index, so you can write down the page numbers of the projects. There's 4 pages per project, so, and you can write down the projects so you can easily find when you want to refer back to one. Probably only need 1 page, but I did 2 anyway, just because of how the layout of the book went. I threw in a page here of any projects that you want to make, so if you have a list of things that you want to do, just to kind of have a handy list there for what you might want to do in the future. And then these are the pages that I included. So I have this is your project, when you started it, when you finished it, what color wool you used, how much of it you used, if you want to weigh it, you know, to keep track of how much, where you purchased it from, how much it cost. And then if you wanted to put like a little sample, you could just take a little piece of wool and put it, that's probably more than what you need, and then just put a piece of Scotch tape over the top of it like that. And then you have a comparison there. If you need to go back and fix something or want to make another one, you can compare your samples there. Down here I put other materials, so like if you use pipe cleaners or glass eyes, you could put down what size they were, and again how much you used, who you got it from, cost, and if there's any other information that you want to add. I think I probably should have made my margins a little bit bigger here, but anyway, over here are some references. So if you used any websites or tutorials or kits or anything, any new techniques that you used, so like I have a sheep that I used a specific method for making it look like it had curly locks. I could put that on here. And if there's any specific tools that you needed or used for the project. And then down here I left a space where you can sketch out your project if you're doing it from your head, or what I like to do sometimes is print out some copies of other crafters' works to kind of get an idea of what I want to make. Or I've kind of been using AI lately to come up with some ideas, so you can just print off a picture and glue it or tape it in here. Over here you can keep track of how long it takes you to make it. I found this comes in handy a lot with projects to keep track of your time, especially if you sell them. So you just put your date, when you started, what time you stopped working, and then the total time, and then you can add it all up. And then just a note section here that you can write general notes on of, you know, how your project went, you know, if you have any problems. And then I left a whole page here for you to do progress of your picture of your project. So you can, you know, take a picture every day you work on it, or, you know, after a specific part, and then just print them off and then glue or tape them in here. And then you have a pictorial progress for your next time you want to do it again, or just a reference or whatever. So that's pretty much basically what it is. Like I said, there's enough pages in here for you to do 25 projects, and it should keep you busy for a while before you need another book. But yeah, let me know what you think, if you pick it up, how you like it, if there's any changes that you might like to see in an updated version. What you think of the size, if you want a different size. Someone suggested a 6x9, so I might see if I can work that into another one. But I have 3 different covers, so I will, the links will be down below. You can also, if you want to print it off yourself, there is a PDF version on my website, and that link is also down below on chickenruncreations.com, that you can purchase just a PDF, and you can print off as many copies as you want. But so yes, I'm really excited with how this came out. I can't wait to start using it with some of my projects. And yeah, I think it's not something, I've only found a couple similar, and they didn't have the same kind of detail that I had in this one. So let me know what you think, and I will see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.